Hi everyone.
Hello everybody.
It's Jeff and Carmelita from
jeffandcarmelita.com.
Thanks for coming to watch this training. Please click the link below.
Absolutely below.
To continue. We look forward to working with you and be inspired to be empowered.
Now if you're a Texan fan, you got some preference. If you're a Dallas fan, I don't know.
Oh, don't believe him, y'all. We work with everybody who's willing to do the work. Talk to you later.
Absolutely.
Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. It's Carmelita from jeffandcarmelita.com. Be sure to watch this quick tip from Jesse about how to find your target audience on Facebook and why. Enjoy.
Your page on the front end of your funnel has a different digital signature than the person that actually becomes a registered lead, which is a different footprint than the person that actually buys a product or service from you. And that's where the true power of Facebook lies, is in the ability to go and say, Facebook, I want you to find these specific people, not just anyone, but these specific people. Facebook's only going to be as intelligent in its targeting as you tell it to be. And so, again, my objective here was not to get into what exactly to do, or even how to do it. It takes a lot more time for that than I have here today, but I did want to at least have a high-level overview to just kind of share with you what is possible. Was that helpful?
Yes. Hi everyone, it's Carmelita. Thanks for watching. Now be sure to check out the link below with our #1 budget-friendly recommendation for you to get started with building your business online. And don't forget your free ebook below. Talk to you later.